Children, welcome to the English class. Today we'll deal with the important topic, that is unseen passage, where the story is given, and then we are going to search the answer from the story from the passage, okay, and we'll complete the worksheet. Okay, it's a very important topic, so without wasting time, let me read the story for you. It's a very nice story. Please listen carefully, and you will read the passage at home. Try to find out the answer, okay? Sanju was a barber. Barber means a person who cuts the hair. He carried all his tools safely in a small box. Tools means usa saman box mein he used to keep it in the box. And what was inside the box? The box had a pair of scissors because the barber they need scissors to cut their hair, shaving blades, combs, and the mirror. These things he used to keep it in the box, and he used to call that box as kitty. Okay, Sanju used to take it wherever he went, everywhere he used to take that box. But one fine morning, Sanju left home and with a small box in his hand. Now it was afternoon now at noon. He was feeling sleepy, so he took a little nap under the shady tree. Nap means just a rest for 5 to 10 minutes. So it was a shady tree. Shady means the charge of chhaw deta hai. So he took there. Unfortunately, the tree was the home of the ghost. Ah, ghost means you know, na? Yes, it was a lunchtime and the ghost was hungry. The Bhutu was hungry and it was thrilled to see Sanju. When the ghost saw the Sanju was very happy. The ghost jumped down, threw his hands wide and sang and danced in joy like this with hands, and he said, "Oh, I am the ghost of the tree. Food, delicious food for my tummy. I got a food." Sanju got up. He saw the ghost and quickly thought of a plan. अभी कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. Why? The booth is there, the ghost is there, and I have to plan out something. So he was he had a good sense of humor. So what he said, he started singing. Who? The Sanju also. The Sanju started singing, "Ah, I am happy, so happy. One more ghost in my kitty." Kitty means the box. He used to call that box as kitty. Oh, मेरे पास में already ghost है. One more ghost I got. The ghost was confused. He said that everybody is afraid of me, but this man did not seem to be afraid at all. I will get you right into my kitty. वो बोला कि मैं तुमको kitty में डालूंगा. Sanju said, showing the ghost his box. He showed the box. I already have one in the box. Who wants the company? So company चाहिए, friend चाहिए. I already have one. Come on, you also join. I don't believe you. You are a liar, screamed the ghost. Ghost said, नहीं तुम झूठ बोलते हो. There is no ghost in your box. You are a liar. Let me show you the ghost I have in the box. लो मैं दिखाऊं आपको, said Sanju. And he took out a mirror and showed it to the ghost. And if you see in the mirror, what do you see? Your own reflection. So the ghost saw his own reflection. He said, there is a ghost in the kitty box. The ghost was shocked to see another ghost there. It didn't know that it was its own reflection. Like for example, you have heard the story of Hare and the lion, na? Rabbit and the lion. The rabbit took the lion in the well. वो बोला कि well में देखो एक lion है. There was a water. When you see in the water, you see your own reflection. The lion jumped into the well. This is what happened. Okay, he saw his own reflection. The ghost begged. He said, please Sanju, please you leave me. Sanju, please let me go. मुझे छोड़ दो. And he offered a bag of gold coins. He said, लो आप ये पूरा सोने का पूरा बैग सोने का भरा है. This bag full of gold, you take this and please you leave me. Sanju collected the bag of gold coins and he went away from them. है ना? So that means if you have any problem situation, difficult situation, you should not run away. You should face it strongly, bravely, and using your brain, common sense. Okay. Now let us begin with the worksheet better. Okay. Who was Sanju? From the passage, you have to write who was Sanju. Here it is. The Sanju was a barber. From the passage, the first line. Okay. Question number 2. What things did Sanju carry in his box? Second line, it is given over there. Okay. Let me take it back. Here, look at the second line. I'll show you. This is the first one. Sanju was a barber. He had a pair of scissors, shaving blades, combs, and the mirror. Okay. Okay, let us go back. Here it is. See, look at the question. What things did Sanju carry in his box? Okay. See, this is the blank one, upper one where I have not written. Here I have written who was Sanju. Sanju was a barber. Here number 2. Sanju carry. Now there is a carry word here. When you're going to write the answer, the carry will become carried. The words Y ending with Y, it will change into IED. So carry will become carried. Okay. Carried a pair of scissors, shaving blades, combs and a mirror in his box. Okay, beta? Okay. Next, what is the moral of the story? What is the moral of the story? Moral of the story means what did you learn from the story? That we should not be afraid and should act wisely. डरना नहीं और दिमाग से काम करना. This is what we should not be afraid. Let me zoom it. We should not be afraid and we should act wisely. Have you understood? Okay. Now fill in the blanks. Let us solve the fill in the blanks. Sanju used to take his dash wherever he went. Let me see whether next fill in the blanks I have taken. No. Okay, let us do this. Sanju used to take his box wherever he went. Okay, the tree was a home of a ghost. Who was on the tree? Ghost in a booth. Sanju showed the dash to the ghost. Sanju ने क्या दिखाया? The Sanju showed the mirror. The ghost saw his own dash in the mirror. जब आप mirror के सामने खड़े रहते हो, आप खुद दिखते हो. That is called as reflection in English. So the ghost saw his own reflection. Okay. Next, true and false. Sanju lied to the guest. Lied means झूठ बोलना. Yes, true. He told lie. The next, the ghost gave Sanju a bag of apples. No, false. He gave the bag of gold coins. Sanju took a nap in a huge building. No, false. He took a nap under the shady tree. Yes, children. Next, the ghost was shocked to see another man in the mirror. The ghost was shocked to see the another ghost in the mirror. He was shocked to see another ghost in the mirror. Okay. He did not see a man. Let us see. 1 minute. Let us go back in the passage. Let us see. Yes, what did he saw? His own reflection. Who was he? He was ghost. He saw his own. He did not see another man. He saw the ghost. He saw his own reflection. The ghost begged Sanju to let him go. So let us go back. 1 minute better. Okay. The ghost was shocked to see another man in the mirror. It can be a ghost or it can be a man. A little confusion over here. So we can write as true. Yes, he saw somebody. Now D, match the following. Ghost was hungry. So 1 to 1D. What was the box? The box was called as a kitty by the barber. Who was confused? The barber was the ghost was confused. And who was happy? The barber was happy. Okay, so the ghost was shocked to see another man in the mirror. Yes, it was true. He was very shocked to see that, isn't it? So please read the story 2-3 times and then solve the worksheet. That's all, beta. Good night.